This is Christina for Sunrise Windows, and today we are going to go through the steps on how to replace a sash in a Sunrise casement window. To perform this task, you will need an additional person, gloves, and a flathead screwdriver. We do not suggest leaning outside of the window opening, and especially not on windows on high levels of the home. Once you have your tools, helper, and replacement sash, you want to remove the screen from the window. Set the screen out of the way so it doesn't get damaged during the replacement process. Unlock your window and crank it out a little more than halfway and release the operator arm from the sash. Larger casement windows have 2 connections, while smaller ones will only have 1. Crank the handle to get the arms out of your way. With your help on the outside, have them hold the sash while you remove the wash arms. Once the wash arms are removed, go ahead and remove the sash from the slide tracks by sliding it over to the opening on the slide track. Go ahead and set the old sash aside and grab your new sash. Place the black tab on the sash into the slide tracks on the main frame. Once the top and bottom are in place, go ahead and snap both your top and bottom wash arms back into the connection knob on the slide track. Reconnect your operator arms. On units with 2 operator arms, check to make sure the black slide tab is inserted in the sash track. If it is missing, check your old sash and use the one from your old sash. Now check the sash operation and lock your window. In some cases, you may have to adjust your sash. You can use a casement adjustment wrench, or a 3/8 wrench will do just fine. Just make sure when using a wrench other than a casement wrench to put the wash arm back into place before adjusting the top adjustment point. We hope these tips and tricks were able to help you, and if you have any further questions, please contact your dealer or contact us